Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 238 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And I recently got this in an Ulta sample bag, but the full-size version retails for $22. This is so different from my dollar store makeup reviews. But so this is very high rated. And it claims to define and hold the brow hairs, and it can be used alone or as a top coat. I personally love to fill in my eyebrows with a pencil or whatever product and then use a gel on top. So I don't typically wear my natural eyebrows alone. So today I did already fill them in with a brow pencil. So I'll be using this as a top coat, but this also contains chamomile, which is supposed to condition the hairs, which I think is nice. Like if I'm going to be using a product on my eyebrows, might as well condition the hair at the same time. And that's something that's different in these high-end products because they are able to throw in those extra nourishing ingredients versus the $1 brow gel products that I use, which probably can't afford to throw in ingredients like that. But then it comes down to, is it really worth paying more so that you can get those nicer ingredients in the product if the finish is just going to be the same? But so let's go ahead and try this out. I have such long, kind of unruly brow hairs that I definitely need to set them in place and get them to be held all day long. Okay, so this is kind of a big brush for eyebrows. I actually prefer brushes that are even half as big as this brush. I just feel like you can get more precise, and eyebrows are so small. Why would they make it so big? This does not have a very nice smell. It smells like nail polish. But so it says to apply this in short upward strokes. Well, I mean, at least it's very quick and easy to apply. That's kind of the nice part about using a clear brow gel, is that you don't have to worry about where the pigments end up. I will say that they do have a tinted version of this brow gel, and it also retails for $22. So far, I'm liking this. I've tried other clear brow gels before, and I didn't like them because I thought that it looked like I had like a goo in my eyebrows and it just looked too shiny. So that's why I typically prefer a tinted brow gel, because it takes away that kind of like plasticky looking effect to the brow hairs. But this clear gel does not have that gooey plasticky look at all. It really doesn't even look like I have anything on my eyebrows except for the pencil, but all of my hairs look very in place. And as I'm even like brushing out my eyebrows, they're staying fully in place. They're not moving at all. So this is exactly what I was hoping for. A clear brow gel that truly is clear, completely unnoticeable, but truly holding those hairs in place. It's also locked down my pencil so that the pencil pigment is not coming off either when I rub at it. And that was so quick to apply. So I think that this is a great product, and I understand why it's so high rated. All around, successful, does exactly what I was hoping for. Yay, so far this is definitely my favorite clear brow gel that I've ever tried. And I had been kind of apprehensive to try a high-end brow gel because I do have some dollar store products that I really like, but after trying this clear one, now I really feel like I want to try the tinted version. So if you've tried that, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. Do you think it's worth trying? So I am going to continue to wear this makeup the rest of the day, so I will leave in the description down below how this brow gel really worked for me as the day goes on, how it lasts, if my eyebrows really do stay in place the entire day. So if you're curious about that, make sure you read the description down below. In the description, I will also link this product so that you can find it quickly and easily if you're interested in purchasing for yourself. Yay, so I'm really happy with this. Another very successful makeup review, makeup product that I do really like. So thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.